Time magic. Understanding time zones and daylight saving time. Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to dive into a truly important topic when we're talking about calendars and planning. Understanding time zones and daylight saving time. This is a crucial concept for communicating and planning across different regions of the world. So, let's get started. Our Earth is divided into 24 time zones. This is due to the rotation of the Earth in a 24-hour period. Each time zone represents a geographic area where the local time is the same. This is important for planning because the time can vary greatly from one place to another. For example, when it's noon in New York, it's already evening in London and early morning of the next day in Tokyo. The prime meridian, which passes through Greenwich, London, is considered the starting point for time zones. The time at this meridian is known as Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. However, Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, is more commonly used in today's world, which is almost the same as GMT, but is determined using atomic clocks and is therefore more accurate. Another interesting concept is daylight saving time, DST. Some countries adjust their clocks forward 1 hour near the start of spring and adjust them backward in the autumn. This is done to make better use of natural daylight during the evenings and also to conserve energy. When you're planning events that involve people from different time zones, it's important to consider their local times. There are many digital tools available that can help you convert your local time to the local time in other time zones. Daylight saving time can sometimes be confusing, especially when planning. Remember, not all countries observe DST and the start and end dates can vary. Always check if the country you are dealing with is currently observing DST to avoid confusion. Time zones and daylight saving time are key factors when it comes to understanding and using calendars effectively for planning, especially for international interactions. We hope this video has made these concepts clearer for you. Remember, effective communication and planning always consider time differences. Until next time, happy learning!